Hi guys, for a diversity dish at work today, I'm making Guyanese style chicken curry. So I know some of you guys are going to be intrigued because you like the flavor. So I'm sharing this video with you guys. Welcome to my channel, it's Caribbean Ducks. Glad you could be here. And if you haven't done so, please remember, like, share, and subscribe and support my channel. So we're going to start with some dark meat. We have the skin off and we're going to debone our dark meat. We have leg and thigh. And I'm just gonna remove it off the bone because I prefer using dark meat because it's so much juicier and tastier. So just like this, I'm gonna remove the meat off the bone and set it to the side. So I have about maybe 15 pounds of meat that I have to do like this. It's not hard at all, guys. So easy. Just with a sharp knife, just slice along the bone and remove the meat. Be careful not to cut your hand. And there you have it. We have our manageable bite-sized pieces of meat ready to be washed. So since I'm making this a Caribbean dish, and like all good Caribbean people, we wash our meat with some vinegar and lime. And a couple of things that's good for. The lime and the vinegar gets that meat nice and clean and remove all the slimy stuff and all the rankness, all the blood. And then we drain it, set it to the side. And these are some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using here. Tomato, garlic, scallion, thyme, ginger, potatoes, carrots, celery, sweet pepper, onion. And this is some of my Caribbean Ducks green seasoning. So now we're going to go in with some of my green seasoning. This is a special blend that I made myself. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys to check out how to make it. And we're just going to give this a good mix and set it to the side to marinate in the green seasoning for maybe about an hour. Then we're going to go in with our celery. These are Chinese celery. They're so much flavorful. We're going to mince that up. And we're going to go in with a bundle of green onion or scallions. Chop it up really small. We're going to prep everything and set it to the side. Now, our sweet peppers. These little sweet peppers here are so flavorful. They're not hot at all, but they lend a great dimension to the food. And we're going to go in with one onion, rough cut. And we're going to slice our tomatoes, 4 medium-sized tomatoes. And now for our garlic, I'm going in with about 7 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince that up as well. And 1 thumb-sized piece, a little bit larger than a thumb-sized piece, ginger that we're going to mince also. And ginger brings out all the flavors and add another dimension to your curries. Now for the carrots, I got 3 medium-sized carrots that I'm going to chop roughly. I'm doing a Japanese style cut here. This allows for additional surfaces and it cooks very good. Now a potato, we're gonna use some medium-sized potato. These are regular potatoes. And we're gonna dice them up and make sure to have a bowl with water so you can add it in so it doesn't oxidize. Now we're gonna make our curry paste. I'm going in with 4 teaspoons of our favorite curry. This is Lala's curry, but you can use any kind of curry that you have in your ethnic stores. And 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Now you guys know all the benefits of turmeric, but it's one of the main ingredients in curry. And we're gonna add a little bit of water to that and mix it into a slurry and combine everything to get all the dry out of it. So it combines with the water nicely. And we're just going to set that to the side and go ahead and get ready for cooking. There you go. You get all the lumps out of it. And now, I shouldn't have done this, but I used some of the hottest pepper here. These are the ghost pepper. I thought it was Scotch bonnet pepper. So I just cut 2 of it and add it to our ingredients. And now I'll heat up some oil and I'm gonna begin to fry our curry. So this is what makes our curry different. We don't season the meat with the curry, but we fry our curry first to get some of that rawness out. Then I'm going to go in with some of our fresh herbs and seasoning that I chopped. And we're gonna saute that, make sure that we get all the flavors out of it. After about a minute or so and the onions are translucent, we go in with the chicken, the seasoned chicken, the marinated chicken. Going with that, and we're gonna give it a good mix. And I'm gonna save some of these ingredients here for later on because we're going in layers. And now I'm gonna cover it down and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna come back to it. Gonna add our carrots and tomatoes, thyme and garlic, ginger into this. Now our potatoes are going in, and a couple of things. The potatoes and the carrots are gonna add flavors and also thicken up the broth and make a nice rich curry. So we're gonna let that cook for about 30 minutes on low heat. And here it is, guys. Your curry is done and ready to be served. I appreciate all you guys' feedback. And thank you so much for watching this video. And here you have it, a Guyanese style, delicious curry, nice and spicy. Once again, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe so you can check out my other recipe on the channel. And please ring that bell so you can be notified when I post new videos and new recipes.